family time?
Oh yeah, it is family time.
And this is our very excited teenager. Prentiss, are you excited for family time?
I've never been more excited.
Never been more excited.
Oh yeah, it is family time.
We're doing it because we're in quarantine and my mother is insane and doesn't understand. We have things to do.
And I love her.
What do we do for family time? Like, how have we organized it?
We do arts and crafts. Eat dinner, arts and crafts.
Let's divide up family time. How is it?
Oh. My night's on Monday night. Mommy's is a different night, and then there's, yeah.
We each take a night, right? And we plan an activity, a little
Yes.
activity. Yes.
See, my activity was the best.
Oh, really?
And originally it was gonna be no family time.
So wait, your family time activity was going to be that there was going to be no family time.
And essay too, so.
Oh yeah, it is family time.
Oh, there's a hors d'oeuvre plate made by our leader, our hors d'oeuvres. Okay, there we go. Oh, William, so fancy. Pepperoncini and potato chips. Kale chips. Stale. Oh, they're stale. That's such a nice touch. Noah's very happy about the family time. He's hiding under the table, hoping he doesn't have to do it. But
Oh,
For the platter.
William found some cheese for the platter.
We should have shopped. Should have gone to Costco.
We get busy on family time. What's the first thing? What's the
we go collect the leaves. We come back. We paint the leaves. We put them down at the bottom of the paper, and then with green or any color you want. Then we use stems and use these or these, and make little flowers.
So are those like our paintbrush, the Q-tips
Yeah.
that are all together? And we're not using paintbrush, we're using our own DIY paintbrushes out of Q-tips. And Meredith. Prentiss, I don't think you're taking getting leaves seriously.
I'm really so pissed. Where are your leaves, Mom? Hey, let's.
Family is really appreciating or taking the family time seriously. I have all my leaves. I'm ready to go. I follow instructions, and yet they're not. Much like most of the country who are not taking this virus seriously. Family time, virus, all very serious.
Meredith, tell me what you're doing right now.
I'm painting the leaf.
You're painting the leaf with a Q-tip. It's so cool. Oh, Prentiss. You got some good ones, Poppy.
Imagine this. Stretched out.
Oh, you're in our
Like
teeny
that
stuff.
Do you want
It is.
black paper then, because it's so much bigger?
So you're using that. That is Meredith made us all these paintbrushes. Hold up the paintbrushes with all the Q-tips together, which is so good, so good. And then she's making little flowers out of them. Meredith.
Me and Mom during family time.
Mom and I. Mom and I.
It's not grammatically correct because you won't let me do my homework. So.